welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me here today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything I'm going to be packing for my upcoming trip that I'm going to be leaving for in a few days. We are going to be going to Singapore and Malaysia for about 2 weeks. So if you're interested to see what I'm bringing with me, then let's get straight into this video. So for this upcoming trip, I am going to be traveling there for about 2 weeks, and we are splitting the 2 weeks between Malaysia and Singapore in the middle of August. It's going to be so hot there. Hence, I have a lot of clothes behind me because I am a very sweaty person. I get hot very easily and I sweat a lot. Knowing this, I'm going to want to change 2-3 times a day every day, and hence why I have all these clothes. Like, I'm definitely not trying to pack minimally. If you're looking for someone who is packing minimally in only a carry-on, that is not this video here. Your girl can't do it. I am going to be checking in one regular size luggage, and then I'm going to be bringing a carry-on as well as like a big carry-on purse that I have here. So between all of that, I will be able to fit everything and have lots of extra room. So let's get straight into this. I'm gonna just show you guys everything that is on this rack here. So here are all of the clothes that I'm gonna be bringing with me, and I've even got my swimsuits laid out over here. As you can see, I am gonna be bringing 3 swimsuit tops. I've got white, it's a bandeau style, so I might not get tan lines, but the other 2 does have straps. This is a halter and this is like a regular straight up and down. And then I'm bringing 2 bottoms, and I tried to make it so that all of these kind of mix and match together decently well, except for this one. This one's a little bit off, but that's fine. I thought I'd have some options there. And then over here I have, oh, this is my luggage. This is my carry-on luggage. It's from Penguin. Black, really sleek. I really like this one. I actually got this from HomeSense several years back, so I have that there. I don't think all of these things here, including all of my toiletries and all of the shoes and stuff, I don't think they're all going to fit in here because I do plan on bringing in also a checked luggage. So, but anyways, here are all the clothes that I'm going to be bringing. So I'm just gonna take these and kind of throw them on the bed and show you what all these look like. But in general, these are like my bottoms, like the shorts, and I have a midi skirt. I have here short like jeans, overall stuff, dresses, and tops here. So I'll show you guys what each of these items look like and kind of categorize them, and then we'll try packing them together into cubes. So these are all the shorts that I'm going to be bringing with me on my trip. I've got 2 pairs of athletic shorts over here. This one here is actually just a pair of TNA ones. They're really thin and they've got some drawstrings here. I know it's hard to see because it's black, but and then this one here is a pair of Lululemon shorts I've had for years. They are double lined, so I mean, I've got options here. These would even work really well as pajama shorts if I want. So I've got 2 pairs, and then over here I've got 5 pairs of shorts here. These are going to be my overall everyday going out shorts, and I try to stick with neutral colors, as you can see. So I'm bringing 1 pair of denim shorts, a pair of white shorts. These ones are from Aritzia. They are the sale shorts. This pair is from Banana Republic, their factory store. So they've got these pockets. It's like a really nice linen blend, and it's a linen-y color. Next, I've got this pair of shorts. These are a paper bag pair of shorts. They're like an olive green color, but it's not really showing up on camera right now, which is kind of annoying. But there's this pair. You can wear it with the belt, without the belt. Either way, it works really well. And then I've got a pair of black pleated, proper tailored shorts, I guess. And this pair will be really good to dress up, dress down. I could wear this with sneakers. I could wear this with sandals. It really doesn't matter. So these are all the shorts that I'm going to be bringing. Another 2 items that I'm going to be bringing are these 2. So this is a pair of Levi's short alls, they're called. I've been looking for a pair of these forever, and I finally found these. I'm so excited to be bringing them with me. I think these will be good. Might be a little bit hot for some of the hotter days, but I think I can get away with it on some of the days that are not so hot. I could easily wear just like a cropped tank top underneath, not have to wear a bra. And this will be very flowy, especially around the sides because the midsection area is not really covered up. And then over here I've got a midi skirt. This is a very flowy midi skirt. This is from Wilfred. It's got a slit. I know it's hard to see because it's black, but I love these pretty details on the skirt itself. This will be good for when I am going to visit temples, because in temples a lot of times you do have to cover up your shoulders. As women, you have to cover up your shoulders and your knees as a sign of respect, and so I think this will be really good to bring with me for those days. Next up are these dresses. So I've got this black Sidoni dress from Wilfred. This is another baby doll dress from Aritzia. I don't know the name of it. And then here is a dress from, what is it, Abercrombie and Fitch. It is just this A-line. They're all like A-line dresses, really. This one's just got very pretty pattern on it that I love, and it's got some cap sleeves. So these are 3 of the dresses I'm bringing. There's going to be several more after this, so just give me a sec. The next 3 dresses that I'm going to be bringing are these 3, a lot of black and white as you can see. But this one here on the left hand side, this is the Aritzia, the Saturn midi dress. It's the really famous one with the wrap. I know you can't tell because it's black, but it's the one that everyone's been raving about. This one here is just another like dress from Aritzia, as is this one. This is the only slip in the black satin type of material. And these 3 will, well, especially the 2 black ones, it can be dressed, kind of dressed up more so. And then this white one I just thought would be really nice for a flowy dress for everyday wear. So these are all of the tops that I'm going to be bringing with me on my trip. As you can see, it's a lot of black and white. I'm trying to make it really easy for myself to put together outfits so I don't get a headache when I'm trying to get dressed in the morning. The first 2 items that I have are, like, you're going to see a lot of doubles here, honestly, but the first 2 items that you're going to see here are the contour scoop neck tank. So that's this one here. I've got it in the black and in the white. And as you can see, it's like a cropped tank, really easy, just seamless kind of top. There's nothing really to it. So I've got these 2, the black and the white version. And again, you'll see that once I like something, I always usually buy it in the black and the white. But this is the Sculpt Knit, the infamous Aritzia Sculpt Knit. This is the cropped tank that I really like. So it just looks like this on the front and the back, as I'm sure you've seen a million times. Again, I have this in the black and the white. I have this one here. This is also a Sculpt Knit, but it is just like a tube cropped top. So I don't have anything to hang it on to, but it's just like a really pretty nudie color, as you can see. But yeah, this one is also going to be coming with me just in case I want something that's strapless, because I don't really have anything that's a strapless option right now. Next up, I've got 3 tanks. These are all the same. Again, because I like something, I will buy in multiple neutral colors. These are the tiny tanks from Wilfred Free. So it's just got these tiny little spaghetti straps, really delicate. They're cropped. So I have it in this like off-white beigey color. I've got it in the white and of course in the black. And then I have this tank, this cropped top. It's kind of got like a linen-y material to it. Honestly, I don't even know what it's called. It's got buttons at the back, but it's not buttoned up. So you can wear this in the front or in the back. This is usually worn in the back, but it doesn't matter really. This is really pretty. I got it from Wilfred, I think I want to say. Yeah, several years ago. So there's that one. This is a tank top. Again, a linen-y peplum top from Dynamite. So this is actually still available on their website. And then I have this one here. This is just a random tank top I found in my closet. It's from H&M and it's just, I don't know, it's really light and flowy, so I thought I'd bring that. Then I have 3 white t-shirts. This one is from Uniqlo. It's got this boat neck hemline, which I really like. It's really flowy. This one is from Aerie. I got this years ago. It's my favorite t-shirt. It's really light. It's kind of see-through, to be honest with you, but really good to tie up and to tuck into things. So this one, it just has a pocket on the front here, and it's just really easy. And then I have this one here. This is from H&M. It's just like a Maine State t-shirt. I got it for like 11 bucks, I think. Next up is this really cute cardigan from Oak and Fort. I recently just picked this up because I fell in love with the color. It comes in, I want to say 3 or 4 different colorways: black, cream, this color, and like even like a really pretty sage green color. But this is like a nudie beige brown, and I really like it. It's very thin, very soft, very breathable. So this would be really good to carry around with me because it is thin. I can bring it around with me, and in case we go into, you know, buildings with really intense air conditioning, I can just throw this on and just keep myself a little bit warmer. And honestly, these other ones are pretty much the same purpose. I really like this one. It's from H&M. I got this. It's a linen button up, but I got it from H&M years ago. And I am going to definitely wear this again over top of shorts and my crop tops and tank tops, just to give myself a little bit of warmth. This one here is another button up. It's a very thin, very sheer material. As you can see, like my fingers go straight through it. But this one I got again years ago from Express, back when Canada still had Express, at least where I live. I'm not sure if Express still exists in some of the other big metropolitan areas, but not in my city. We don't have Express anymore, which is so sad. But again, I got this and I'm going to be bringing this with me as a really nice light cover up. And again, you might think this is redundant. This is another button-up cover-up, but this is actually from Wilfred Free, and it is very, very long, as you can see. So this one can actually be worn as a dress on its own, as a cover-up. It can be worn on top of other like shorts and outfits as well, dresses. So I'm going to be bringing this one because it is multifunctional and it isn't as see-through as the Express one as I just showed you guys. Because of that, I think they're different enough that I can bring both and justify it. And yeah, because this one is so thin and lightweight anyways, I mean, it really doesn't take up any space. Finally, I have my airport outfit, which is super, super casual. I've got a pair of Lululemon leggings and my favorite TNA Airy AF kind of sweatshirt, very simple sweatshirt. But I didn't want a really thick sweatshirt. I knew I wanted to bring some sort of sweatshirt, hoodie, some sort of thing like that for the airport, for the airplane, because it does get really cold with the air conditioning and just the air. So I'm going to be bringing this one because I don't like how my other ones are too thick. Like, yes, it's going to be cold, but it's not going to be that cold, I don't think. And I want to be able to wear it in case, you know, it does get a little bit chillier when we get to the destination. I don't want it to be so thick and heavy. This is a very thin material. I can easily pack this up and it won't take up too much space in either of my bags or my luggage. So here are all of the clothes in packing cubes. Excuse Nala over here. I've got all of my dresses and those cover-up shirts and my overalls in this big packing cube. I honestly still have room in some of these. This one here are all my shorts, like my bottoms, including my midi skirt at the very top. Over on this side, I have my bathing suits. I have room. I can probably put like some undergarments, some underwear and stuff in here. And then over here, I have all of my tops, my tank tops. And over here, I've got 3 more dresses. So this here is just some of my stuff that I can bring with me that's not liquids. And so I can put this in here. And with all of this, I still have a little bit of room over here on top of here. But I can put my like curling iron or my straightening iron and some extra stuff that I will need. And anything else that won't fit, I'll just put into my check-in luggage. But most of it does fit in here. So now that I've packed away most of the clothing except for the airport outfit right here, I'm gonna show you guys the pairs of shoes that I'm going to be bringing. I'm bringing 4 pairs of shoes. Again, a little excessive, but the first pair that I'm going to be bringing are these Nike Air Force Ones. These are my new pair. My other pair is really dirty, and so I'm bringing this pair to the airport because they are the biggest, clunkiest pair. And so I'm just going to wear these so it just saves a little bit of room in my luggage space and keeps my toes warm on the plane. The second pair that I'm going to be bringing are these Birkenstocks. I've shown these in my vacation haul video. So these ones are like the eggshell ones. I have successfully broken them in. They're very comfortable now, so I have no problems bringing these. I just need to spray them with a layer of protectant before I wear them, and then these will be good to go. I might potentially pack this in my carry-on luggage. Not my carry-on. I think it's actually going to go into my check-in luggage because they are a little bit bulkier. Another pair of sandals that I'm going to be bringing are one of my favorite pairs of sandals that I've worn, I want to say at least 1 year for sure. I don't know if I've had these for 2 years, possibly. But they're these sandals. They are from Aldo. They almost look like the Hermes sandals, but they are just so pretty. They look really good with like linen-y outfits or even jeans. So these just look like this. They're even a little bit worn out. Like I know there's some of the parts of the leather that's rubbing off, but I love these. So I'm going to bring these because they are very comfortable. And the final pair of shoes that I'm going to be bringing are these Open Edit black sandal heels. Again, I've shown these in that vacation haul video. I'll leave it linked up in the cards above me. But these sandals, I've worn them out once already and they are very comfortable. So I'm going to be bringing these with me. Again, this will probably go into my checked luggage, and this will be able to dress up any of my dresses in case we go anywhere nice for dinner or for drinks. So those are the shoes that I'm going to be bringing. And then when it comes to purses, my God, it's so complicated being female sometimes. I feel like there's always so many things. My bag that I'm going to be hanging on to, like my purse, for the flight is going to be my beloved Longchamp Le Pliage in the large. This is the long arm tote. This is so huge that I will be able to put everything in it. So in here, I already kind of have packed my toiletries. This is my toiletries bag. It contains most of my makeup, all of my skincare and contact solution, sunscreen, setting spray, all that stuff in here. So I don't really have like a separate compartment or bag or pouch for my makeup because all of it's pretty much in here, or it's in that other one that you saw earlier that was in the suitcase, because this one just contains dry solids and stuff, like my one face powder, the Dior face and cheek palette, like that's it. So that is also my makeup. So makeup here, skincare all in here mostly. And so between those two pouches, I really don't need to bring an additional toiletry pouch. So this is what I'm going to be working out of. Unfortunately, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but it will be fine. So yeah, all my toiletries will be in here. So I will be carrying all of this liquids in this Longchamp tote, so that when we're going through airport security and everything, I can easily grab it, take it out, put it into the bin, and then yeah, that way I don't have to dig through any of my suitcases. So that's going to be in there. It's going to be a bit of a pain to carry all of that around, but that's fine. And then in terms of other handbags I'm going to be bringing, they're all going to be black handbags, I've noticed, but that's fine because black goes with everything, and I think with all the outfits that I'm packing, it's going to work very well. The first one that I'm packing or bringing along with me is, they're all very light, so it's fine that I'm bringing a few, is what I'm saying to myself. It's my Lululemon belt bag that everyone has. It's just black. And this one is really, I wanted to bring it because it's going to be better for security. If I wanted to bring some stuff with me, I could just wear it across my chest like this, and it's just a little bit safer that way. Plus the fact that it's like nylon. All these bags I'm bringing are actually nylon, nothing leather, so it's going to be very carefree for me. So there's the first one. This one I can also wear different ways, as you guys all know, so it's very convenient that way. The next one I'm going to be bringing is another Longchamp. It looks like the baby version of my luggage one that I'm bringing for my travel, but it's the small, it's the small tote. It's the top handled version. It's not a long strap. I almost wish I got the long strap version, but that's okay. This is going to another, like, it's black, so another nylon bag. This one carries quite a lot as well, and it can be easily folded up to be smaller and easily fit in any of my luggage. So again, this is another bag option. And the fourth and final bag option that I am bringing with me is my Prada Re-Edition 2005 in the black nylon. And this one is great because I can wear it just with the chains. That could be my evening bag. I can wear it with a strap, and it's just a little bit more casual, definitely more casual. And the fact that it is a full zipper, it is nylon, so I don't have to worry so much about rain or, you know, things spilling on it. And I can easily just smush it flat, pack it, I think in here. I think I'm gonna bring it in here with me, just put it in a dust bag, and that way everything will be with me. I think this is literally the perfect little selection of bags that I got, because they're just all nylon and easy and carefree. And yeah, so I'm gonna be bringing this one with me, kind of more like as an everyday bag. So yeah, between all four of these bags, I think I have my bases covered with handbags. I think I've got large, medium, small, crossbody, side bag, like I've got it all. So I will not be out of options when I am overseas. So those are majority of things that I'm going to be packing with me and taking with me to my trip. Obviously I don't have every single little thing, like I don't have like my socks, like underwear, things like that, just because everyone knows to take them, and they take up very little space. Again, my makeup and stuff is already mostly in my Liquids TSA bag, so really there's not a whole lot to show in there. The only thing I might be missing might be like a straightening iron. I'm only going to be bringing either a straightener or a curler. I'm not bringing both. So between all of that, I really have all my bases covered. And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. I'd love for you to join our little community here. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.